Ever been caught off guard by a hiccup? That unexpected hic sound can be funny or annoying, but what exactly causes hiccups? Hiccups start in your diaphragm, a muscle just below your lungs. This muscle helps you breathe, but sometimes it spasms, tightens suddenly, causing air to rush into your lungs too quickly. When that happens, your vocal cords close up, making the classic hic sound we all recognize. Why does the diaphragm spasm? Triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even stress.
Thankfully, hiccups usually go away on their own. But if you want to stop them faster, try holding your breath, drinking water slowly, or even swallowing a spoonful of sugar. These tricks can help reset your diaphragm. So the next time you get hiccups, you'll know why they happen. Your diaphragm is just a little overexcited. Want to learn more about your amazing body? Like, share, and subscribe for more quick science videos?